Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're signed in and ready. Start by opening the Google One app or website and choosing the account to backup. Once done, tap Backup Settings and enable backup for device data. This includes app data, call history, contacts, and SMS. Make sure you grant permission for photos and media so the service can copy your files. If you have limited Wi-Fi, toggle the option to backup only on Wi-Fi to avoid using mobile data while the initial snapshot runs. Now you'll refine what gets backed up. Choose photos, videos, device settings, and app data selectively so you don't waste storage. Once done, review the reported backup size and compare it to your available Google One storage. If you're near capacity, consider removing large files or upgrading your plan. Make sure to adjust scheduling. You can pause backups, resume when charging, or limit backups to Wi-Fi. This helps ensure backups happen reliably without draining battery or data. To finish, restore your data on a new or reset device by signing into the same Google account and choosing Restore from Google One during setup or from backup settings afterward. Once done, apps and settings will reappear as available copies are applied. If something goes wrong, make sure you're using the same account and that you have enough storage to complete the restore. Check app versions and network connectivity. If issues persist, clear the Google One app cache and retry, or contact
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.